If you wish to create your own prescriptions, Operations Center has a tool called the Agrarian Prescription Creator that allows you to do this. You can click on a field, select Field Details, go to the top right corner of the pop-up window and select Agrarian Prescription Creator. This will allow you to jump in already preloaded for this specific field. So you can see that client farm and field is already selected. The other option would be to go from Tools and select Agrarian Prescription Creator. We also have the ability from Field Analyzer to select Agrarian Prescription Creator as well. Once in Agrarian Prescription Creator, select whether you would like to do a product application or seeding or tillage. Tillage prescriptions are available with TrueSet compatible tillage tools. You do have to have a field boundary in order to create a prescription. Then you will need to choose how you want to draw the prescription. You can do an average yield map over multiple years, a single field operation, which may be a single year's map, such as a yield map. You can draw the zones completely yourself manually, or you can use a soil survey soil type map. I'm going to select average yield. And then you can include all years of corn harvest, or choose 1, 2, 3, or 4. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to choose all 4 years of harvest data for harvest yield. Click the next button to go to the next page. It may take a little bit of time to process all the information before it jumps to the next page. After things are processed, the number of zones will automatically be preloaded at 5 zones, a minimum area for each zone at 0.125 acres. You do have the ability to adjust this as needed. At that point, you can choose whether you want to add a chemical, also could be a fertilizer, or a variety. Or you could do both at the same time. I'm going to choose add a variety. We'll choose a variety that pulls from our product list. We can see our 5 zones and we can type in a seeding rate. The other option, instead of filling all out individually, would be to use the distribute function, put in a low rate, put in a high rate, and the system will automatically distribute between the high rate and low rate between all of the zones. Notice it tells you how many acres are in each zone. By default, the system will try to make most of the zones very similar in acreage size. Once you're ready to save your prescription, you can click Save. The prescription will show up in the Files Manager section of your Operations Center to either send to a machine or download to a USB device. So we can now see our prescription for this field, Tilley's 89, with 6579 variety is now available. We can either transfer that directly to the equipment with JD-Link Connect and wireless data transfer, or we can download to USB.